we have the current stock market update for SHINECO Incorporated, stock ticker SISI. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts in the comments section below so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So here we have the 15-minute price chart, and it's important that we look at this type of time frame because this will really allow us to see the most recent trend activity and determine which price zones are most important for traders going forward. So in the remainder of this video, we will be looking at some of these specific price zones, explaining why they're important, and helping traders to identify a profitable trading strategy in the days and weeks ahead. So as we can see here, this is the 15-minute price chart, and I do want to look at this price chart because as we can see here, pulling back at all on the time frame really causes share prices to flatten out near current levels. Things become very difficult to see, and most of the direction here is clearly focused on the downside. We do have a prior price high which came in right around the middle of July, roughly July 10, and this created a double top near the $5 mark for the stock. But since then, we have seen a tremendous movement lower. And I would be interested in hearing from people that are currently long this stock. I would like to know if people are currently underwater in their position, if the position is currently profitable, or if there are losses currently in the trade, because when you see that type of decline, really a dramatic, huge decline like that, it can really cause people to lose large sums of money very quickly. And I understand that we're talking about a $5 stock, or more recently we're talking about a 65-cent stock and things like that. And it might seem like these are not significant, substantial losses, but if you're putting hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of dollars into a trade, these losses can add up very quickly, and they're very substantial because in percentage terms, these are major losses. So what we're currently dealing with here, is a stock that has lost significant amounts of its value, and I would like to hear from people that have encountered losses in this trade. Specifically, I would like to know how you found this stock to begin with. Was there somebody on YouTube that maybe suggested this stock? Because I was sort of looking around on the platform and I did find someone who was suggesting that people should buy the stock right around this $4.80 mark. Right before the stock completely collapsed. So I'm not going to name any names just yet. I would like to hear from other people how exactly they found out about this stock, because if this is the person that they found out from, it might be time to do a little bit of an expose type video and sort of make it clear that this person is picking very bad stocks and it's costing a lot of people money. This is the reason that I have opened the members only section of the trading platform. We have very high profit trading strategies that are conducted there, designed directly for beginners, trading entry points, stop loss levels, everything you would absolutely need to know, even as a beginner, to have profitable trades in small cap stocks. So it doesn't always need to be losses, and people that actually know what they're doing have a much easier time identifying strong trading opportunities rather than this complete horror show that has been seen in this stock. So what we're seeing currently, is a near-term price low coming in at 33 cents per share, and this is after falling from the $5 mark. I mean, these are tremendous losses here in a very short period of time. Since then, we did see a bit of a recovery into the 70-cent mark, but we've already started to give back most of those gains, and share prices are already trading much lower, with near-term lows coming in at roughly 48 cents per share. So as we can see here, this movement into 48 cents was significant because this did mark the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of this broader trending move here to the top side. I don't know how broad. I don't know if I should use the word broad because this was very short term in nature. So this recent rally, I guess I should say, into the 70-cent level. Very quickly we saw prices move. More than half of the position lost its value. So as we can see here, this rally into 70 cents occurred during the August 19 trading session, and then already the following day, I mean, this is just it's amazing to see this. This is just such a whipsaw, dangerous stock to be trading. Here we're already seeing share prices move into 48 cents, and this is the following trading session. So we're already seeing the stock lose 61.8% of its value in one trading day. I mean, this is terrifying. This is not a stock that anybody should have been recommending at $5 per share. And they really should not be allowed to post videos like that on YouTube, suggesting that the stock is going to skyrocket and go to the moon. Meanwhile, here we are seeing massive, massive losses in a very short period of time. It's very strange to see this type of thing go on all over YouTube. So as we can see here, if we look at the indicator reading itself, the current momentum indicator shows that negative momentum is still governing share prices at the moment. We would need to see a break below this 48 cent level in order to suggest that deeper losses are likely to occur. But if we do see a break below 48 cents per share, I do think you're probably looking at least a retest of that prior low at 33 cents. This is a very massive movement here to the downside. There's a lot of momentum that's currently working against this stock. So betting on a reversal here is a very dangerous game. I mean, the only way you could even really plausibly be looking at a profitable trading strategy here might be if you're trading on an ultra short-term time frame. And when I say ultra short-term, I'm talking about a few minutes. If you're holding the position for an hour, you could fall victim to a major reversal. So this is the type of whipsaw activity that we're seeing in this stock, and this is just something that really looks like it will continue to trade under pressure, given the fact that the longer-term momentum here is clearly focused on the downside. The only thing anybody could really hope for at this point would be the possibility that a base has started to form. But at the moment, what you're going to need to see there is for this 48 cent level to hold. Possibly then you could start to believe that a reversal is unfolding here, but you have a lot of wood to chop to the top side in order for you to reverse this downtrend. I mean, this is a scary looking price chart at the moment. To the top side, the main level of resistance, I would say, comes in at roughly $1.15. This would be the price high that was posted during the middle of July. If you were able to break above there, I think that you could see some pressure taken off of the downside. But as things currently stand, we're nowhere near that point. You would need to see a lot of movement in the upward direction, even to just reverse the bias to somewhat neutral and sideways, rather than just being in the downward direction. So here's the current market analysis for SHINECO Incorporated, stock ticker SISI. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.